When I first started Atlantic Security, our job was to protect premises, and often the call would go in and there would already be a break-in in progress, and we would find broken glass, and perhaps we would scare someone away. Now when police go to crime scenes and they're called for a security issue, the question isn't, were there any witnesses? The question is, are there any cameras on site?
Small town, about 5,000 people. It's everything you love about a small town community. It's historic, it's on the water. We have Washington College here. It's just a great small town. No matter how small, no matter how quaint, no matter how adorable you are as a town, there is always some element of some minor criminal activity. So, as Chestertown is such a historic town with all of these historic buildings, it was important to us that the aesthetics and the installation of these cameras not be so obtrusive and have a subtlety to them, and Atlantic Security met that requirement.
Atlantic Security provides high-quality security solutions to residential and commercial customers on the eastern shore of Maryland. These camera systems are of particular interest to municipalities. For example, our local town, we have installed dozens of cameras to aid in law enforcement and to provide safety and security for the residents.
The advantage of AI is we have the images we need immediately at our fingertips. It's available instantly, and we all know, as in with a fire or a crime, the first few seconds after it happens are the most important into taking action against it.
In the last year, as technology has improved, we've begun to use Vivatek's Vortex cloud system. In the case of AI cameras, we have an agent here who we can ask specific questions and we can get specific answers. For example, we can ask the AI, when have you seen the last white car? The advantage to this type of technology is really manpower. In the past, where it took us hours upon hours to find something, it can now be done in a matter of seconds and with much greater accuracy. The AI cameras and what they've been able to bring to the picture is so much more than anything I have ever seen in this industry up to this point.
Atlantic Security is made up of a team of dedicated and experienced professionals. Some of the technicians have been this 20 to 30 years working in this field. We're a family-owned company, and we have the ability to respond quickly without a lot of administrative red tape. We understand when there's an emergency, we'd like to have the information quickly. And that's what a small business can do. And that's what a family-owned business can do.